Hey guys, in this video I'll show how to change your address inside the Commonwealth Bank app. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do to change your address is head over to your Commonwealth Bank app on your phone, log in, and then click on your profile on the top left hand corner of your screen. And then on this page here, if you scroll down and click on personal details, put in your PIN, takes you to another page, and where it says address, click on edit, and now put in your new home address there. And then once you've done, click on save down the bottom here. So that's it guys, how to change your address inside your Commonwealth Bank app on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it and helps us out a lot.